your tummy? So you want this recipe, don't you? Because now we are making ultimate pigs in blankets. Oh, what makes these the ultimate pigs in blankets? Well, not vegetarian or vegan, sorry guys. Pork sausage wrapped in a black pudding, then wrapped in smoked streaky bacon. You will need a blender for this. Into our blender, we are going to take 250 grams of good quality black pudding. To our black pudding, we're also going to add in 2 sprigs of sage, just the leaves are going to go in there. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of double cream and an egg. Fabulous! We are now going to grab some cling film. On your cling film, you're going to lay out around 4 to 6 rashers of streaky bacon. Basically, the length of your sausage. And then onto this, using a palette knife, I'm going to take a quarter of my mix, my black pudding, and I'm going to smooth it onto the centre. We're then going to take our sausage and we're actually going to remove its casing, but we want to keep it intact, okay? Sausage goes into the middle of our roll. Now we're going to start rolling this up. So I'm using the cling film, a bit like you would if you were making sushi. So we're going to roll it, keep it rolling, keep on rolling, and then we're just going to keep it rolling, keeping that cling film nice and tight, and then just twisting the ends to give ourselves a really nice, neat little sausage. And there is just one of your pigs in blankets. So as you can see, it's a decent portion. So I'm going to carry on and do the rest of them. And then these are going to go into our fridge for 2 hours for a bit of setting time. So here are our little beauties. They've been in the fridge for 2 hours. Now you can prepare these ahead, but only by a day. You don't want this sitting in any longer than a day before you cook it. Heat up a pan. Bit of oil in there, and the first thing we're going to do is going to colour them. We want to get a bit of colour on the bacon. Let's unsheath them, shall we? Oh, this is hot. Whilst those are catching some colour, we are going to crack on with a beautiful sauce. So, what do we love at Christmas? Cranberry sauce! Yeah, we do. So we're going to use our cranberry sauce and pimp it up to make a delicious glaze for our lovely little sausages. We're going to start things by dicing up 1 red onion nice and finely. Do these a little rotation. Into a pan, we're going to pop in a nice generous knob of butter, and we're going to add in our onions as well. So our onions are lovely and soft. Our sausages are perfectly caramelized and crispy. They look so exciting. This is now going to go into our oven at 190 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Oh, cheeky nut roast in there, love it. To this pan, we're going to add in 100 mils of brandy. Yes, this is a boozy sausage sauce. And 200 grams of cranberry sauce, woohoo! So we want to bring this back to a boil. So we're going to go in with the zest of 1 orange and 1 lemon, and the juice of an orange and a lemon. So we're going to go for 2 teaspoons of whole grain mustard. You're now going to let this reduce down to a lovely sticky glaze. Cool, now we just got to wait for everything to come out and then we can eat it. It's the taste time! So yeah, we've just basted that beautiful sauce all over the sausages, and it's just time to give it a whirl. Oh my God, it's in my stomach then. It was just like, thank you. That is outrageous. You have that beautiful high quality pork sausage. You've got that smooth, creamy, that lovely kind of herbaceous notes from the sage in the black pudding surrounding it. And then you've got that smoky bacon. all balanced off with a crazy, sweet, delicious, pokey cranberry glaze. That is heaven. I'm just gonna have a moment and thank you everyone for being so supportive and excited with the whole relaunch of Katie.Pix. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves a very Merry Christmas. Bye! Does that sound